the International Olympic Committee mocked God worldwide. They did it. They mocked Christ the Lord with their anti-God celebrations, led by drag queens mocking the Last Supper publicly worldwide. They praised the mockery of the Last Supper, and they openly mocked the Christian faith in the public square, saying we were not inclusive.
Hi, John Bono with the Story of Liberty. Welcome. We're actually here in France. We wanted to come right here. We're in Marseille. Beautiful little township you can see behind us, Marseille, France. The Olympics was over a couple days ago, but we wanted to come here right to France. Marseille, as I said, is a beautiful little township. In the short video, you will see some places that we visited. Beautiful church. You know, we're all thinking about the Last Supper, what happened, and one of the most sacred and holy days of our faith. You know, the Bible story of the Last Supper, that beautiful invitation from Christ the Lord to inherit an eternal life, to receive his gift of salvation. And Jesus is God, so he totally knew what was going on. You know, the Last Supper, you could read it in Matthew, Mark, and Luke. You know, what dawned upon me just walking around Marseille this morning was that America's not that different. The percentage of our population really in apostasy right now. But remember, when we read throughout the Bible, God will not be mocked. I also think of the great Frenchman, Alexis de Tocqueville, when he visited America. He said something that's very apropos, very important, I think we should remember. He saw the beauty of God's creation in America. The beautiful lakes, the rivers, the oceans like this, and streams. But he said not until he went into the churches of America did he see her pulpits aflame with righteousness. Did he understand the secret of her genius and power? And he said America is great because America is good. And if America ever ceases to be good, America will cease to be great. Like America, I believe that France has hope. It's always been up to us Christians, as we read in 2 Chronicles 7:14. If we'll humble ourselves and pray and seek his face and turn from our wicked ways, then he'll heal our land. And this applies to Christians across the world. Here in Marseille, France, beautiful Marseille. You can see the Notre Dame Cathedral right behind us. We had the privilege of going to the Basilica Notre Dame de la Garde. Beautiful church in Marseille, built in 1853 on the hill of the same name. We went inside and talked to people and actually attended a prayer service. We heard these people praying to God. Thank you for joining us in the Story of Liberty. God bless you.